Alright, we're going to do stuff a little bit different. Potatoes, already cleaned.
A random bug walking across the GoPro lens.
Okay, those are done. Onion. Zucchini. Alright, so instead of a foil pack, I'm going to cook them in this. And I'm going to do olive oil. Creole seasoning. I'm going to let these cook.
At this point of the fall trip, it was t-shirts and shorts, but the weather has changed since then.
Alright, more olive oil. I took all the zucchini out because I didn't want to burn it. Potatoes need longer. They're coming along.
Burgers on the grill, but I forgot my fancy shaper thing, so they won't be perfectly round.
Alright, little chippies on top. That might be a little bit early, but I'm going to flip. Oh, the charbroil does great grill marks. A little bit more chickpeas. Just keeping these warm. Turned out pretty good. So far, so good. Okay. Here's what we're going to try to do. Try to make the cheese hat on this. Should be enough room, right? Okay. I'm only making 2 cheese hats. My other burger won't get a cheese hat. You're getting a cheese hat, whether you want it or not. Alright. Come on, get hot. Cheese hats. Never cooked it in this before. Where I saw them, they were called cheese skirts, and I named them hats. All right, and now we're doing bacon.
I cooked up a pound of bacon earlier for breakfast, and I knew that a cheese hat could use some bacon.
Chunked up bacon right on the cheese hat. Can't have too much bacon, can you? I gotta go quicker. Hot banana peppers. Never done these on here either. Here we go. Now we're gonna see if we can flip these. Not perfect. A little bit better. Alright. Came out pretty good.
A cheese hat with bacon is about as good as it gets.
Alright, now time for a sriracha smiley face. That's what I'm talking about. Flyover. There you go. Alright, flyover. Potatoes. Zucchini. onions, and cheese hat with banana peppers and bacon.
All right, if you're camping, you got to try this. It's quick, easy, and tastes friggin' great.
All right, zucchini. Awesome. Potatoes. Pretty good. Pretty good. Done enough. Food porn. That's really good. That's really good. It's fun to put extra things on your cheese hats. You can put whatever you want. And you know what? You'll have a great and wonderful day.